The consecrated expression to say goodbye is ma'a salame or ma'a salama, depending on your accent. It means with safety. The number 3 you can see in ma is san ain. If you can't pronounce the gagging ain properly yet, just try to do a long ma, pronouncing the a as far back in the mouth as you can. What is implied by ma'a salame is that you either arrive in one piece if you're traveling, or that you stay in safety, always by extension. Salame meaning safety. The response is just ma'a salame back. That one is simple. Ma'a salame, ma'a salame. Another expression used to say goodbye in most dialects is ala ma'ak if you're a male, or ala ma'ak if you are female. It means God be with you. As a quick goodbye to friends, you can always say salam, peace, as you would say bye. Remember that a hand on the heart always makes the salutation more heartfelt.
Pun intended.
An important cultural note regarding greetings. Unlike the French, who kiss all the time to say hello and goodbye, it is very different in the Arab world. Whether you greet or part, it is important to know one thing. If you're a male, do not touch or give a handshake to ladies who are covered unless they hold their hands to you first. If a lady with hijab stays where she is and greets you with a smile, just put your hand on your heart and smile when you greet her as a mark of respect. Note that it's perfectly acceptable to handshake between men, but use the right hand. Among traditional folks, it's also not acceptable to bring food to your mouth with the left hand. Remember, as far as hands are concerned, right is king.